Oh my God.
What's up guys, I'm Maverick. Hey guys, what's up, I'm Monty. And we're at Skylake Adventures in Westfield, Indiana.
Skylake Adventures is a brand new place in Westfield, Indiana. This is only phase one of what they're doing here. Right now it's $55 a person to come here. I've heard it's not worth it because of it not being fully open, but we'll let you know how it is. Guys, we just paid. It ended up being around $180. We're gonna be here until 2:30. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Look at that stuff. That's a 90-foot slide that you go down.
You guys are gonna watch us do all of this today. Everyone here has to wear a life jacket.
How cold is that water? We just gotta go all in. Monty's out there. Go, dude.
We're about to go down that slide, guys, and I'm gonna be holding the GoPro, so you'll get to see my POV. Is it waterproof? Waterproof? Yes. We're only halfway. That's a big view of all the stuff. It's gonna be a fun day. Guys, this water looks super good, but just check out that view. There we go, there we go. Oh my God. Oh my God.
How was it?
Crazy, I just closed my eyes the whole time.
Look at that sucker, 90 feet long.
I was not ready for...
All right, me and Maverick, we do not like deep water. And here in a few weeks, we're gonna be out in the ocean snorkeling at a coral reef.
I'll go this way. Yes, Daddy.
I see it.
Stand up, Dad. Stand up. You just fell off, okay? Oh my God, I can't get in, chat. I can't get in. Guys, after that big impact, my bracelet fell off, and they want to help me up. So I gotta swim all the way over here.
He don't care, he's just taking off.
Where's the monster?
Let's see if Maverick can make it. Go ahead, buddy. Yeah. Your turn.
I can't. Alright, next thing, come on.
Let me go.
Watch this, they take me jumping from there to there.
When you did that, I about fell. Go to that wall. Huh? Yeah.
Come on, Monty. Here, do it again, I'll push you up. I got it, I got it.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
I'm not good enough.
Go.
I'm gonna jump the foot.
Okay. Oh. Dude, that's like 10 feet above the water. We're gonna go down these big slides. Oh God. Woo! Yeah! You got it, buddy? I don't know if I could do that.
Oh my God, it's getting me down. Jump with it,
Yeah, go ahead, buddy. Wow. All right, guys, Monty's over by the chairs, playing in the sand.
I got something to say.
We're gonna do these right here.
We're gonna go on the little drop off, the medium, and then long.
I'm doing the big boy.
No, you gotta do little first.
Look at this big platform. This whole platform floats. Oh my God, that's higher than I thought. It's not scary at all. Oh my God. Do you like it? All right, guys, we just did the little jump off right here. Maverick wants to do the slide. You want to do the slide? All right, he don't want to do the slide. We're going to go to the top.
No, this slide.
Oh, that one? Here we go. Woo! Oh my God! Holy crap! Dude, Maverick, I got my stomach so bad.
Dad, I thought it.
Oh!
I swear to God.
Dang!
Yeah, I thought. No flips or dives, so you're good.
Just jump? Woo! You're good, buddy. You don't even know you're falling. Attaboy.
Last time he went down, he said he hit bottom. So let's see if he does again. Okay.
Hey guys, Skylake Adventure is 10 out of 10. I cannot believe they opened something like this up in Indiana, and especially in Westfield or Sheridan. Holy cow. Monty, you ready? Okay, here we go. That is so fun. And Monty. Woohoo! Yeah!
Everyone!
Let's go.
Alright. Oh, good! Oh my God! Oh, let's go find it. Okay.
I hurt my back. It's spinal.
On my head.
He wants to know if he can toss this off and then jump.
You did it. Okay.
I'm going off the tall one, buddy. That top drop is so fun. The girl said it's 40 to 45 feet tall.
Are you going to stand? I'll play it. Alright guys, Massey, she doesn't like it here. And my dad's going to stand. So it's just me and you. So, let's come back to the octopus point. What is this? Oh, you want to do that? Where's that? Hurt my head a little bit, but I'm okay. Let's jump off. Right now. Me thinking about all of them. I don't got time for that. Ready, please? That hurt my back badly, guys. Alright, guys, so far I've got water in my nose. Smashed my back really hard. Guys, I think my dad and Monty went to find me. They probably wants to play, but I'm about to hit this. Hopefully, I see them or they see me up here. Alright guys, totally did not take a shortcut, but we are halfway up. Make sure I'm going to cross our time. Okay. Here we go, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright guys, they are not here. I'll be getting food without me. Yeah, if I see them eating without me.
Alright guys, over here off to the side there are 4 places you can eat at. Maverick and Monty both got chicken and fries and mac and cheese, but they also sell catfish right there. There you have it guys, that is our first video of phase 1 of the brand new floating water park in Sheridan, Indiana. I hope you liked it. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching our videos. We are on a huge journey. We hope to be at 10K by the end of the year. We're at almost 6K, so help us make that dream come true. We love you all. See ya.